So this company is Apple. So they would probably sell apples? No, why would you think? They sell phones, computers, and tablets. So this company is Amazon. So they would probably sell something related to the Amazon rainforest? No, they would sell tennis balls, toilet papers. You don't see how? It's because they sell everything from A to Z. That's why. Last one. They would obviously sell something related to fashion? No, why would you think? They sell operating systems, platforms, and AI tools. It's because it's a software company, that's why.